Hey everyone.
Hello everyone. Hello party people, if you will. Yes, we had Ganter here, 15 minutes early. Good going, Ganter. Saying, sup y'all. Alana, the newsletter buddy, is back. Which is good, because reminds me to remind you about our Scrimba Community Roundup. This is where you can go to get all the latest news and views from Scrimba, exciting updates like courses, what's next on the live streams, podcasts, animal pics. You've got it all. So put your email in here and you'll get the roundup tomorrow.
Yes.
Ooh. Luca says, hi all. So does Brian. Hi, hope everyone is having / has had a great day. Yes, totally. Ooh. Alana seems to know Luca. Good stuff. Alejandra says, hi everyone. Oh, I missed one. Baham, no less. Have you ever known someone with, I don't know if this is the case for this person or it's just their username, but someone with the same surname and first name? I have.
Like John.
Yeah, like that. I have. Yeah. Used to teach someone. Michael, your shirt is giving me Halloween vibes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?
Not long yet now, is it?
I always wear this.
He's actually got two of the same t-shirt.
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good t-shirt. Yeah, DJ, code it. Hello. Tim DeHoff is back. I'm sure I've seen Tim DeHoff before. Oh no, Alan, struggling with React solo project. Well, hopefully a bit of JavaScript light relief will help you out there. Afternoon, with Dave. Dropping an elephant because Dave's from Colchester and there's an elephant in Colchester. Yes. Nice to meet you guys from Indonesia. Nice. Yes. I've got 3 Scrimba t-shirts. Do you? Crumbs. Amazing.
I have no Scrimba t-shirts.
Do you?
No, do you?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Keep it on the down low. Reminding me of our weekly poll, which is, if you have been here before, please, I've done it one way around. Oh well, please put a tiger into the chat. And if you're new here, hit me with that bunny rabbit. Yeah, and Josh beat me to it. If you consider yourself a regular attendee, drop a lion. Yeah.
This needs to be updated now.
Yeah, there's no strict criteria for that.
Yeah, and there is an elephant for people from Colchester.
Yeah, very true indeed. Many of you are beating me to it, letting me know where you're tuning in from. Canada, Nigeria, Buenos Dias. Diaz from Sacramento.
I love that it's like our chat just lives completely separately.
Yeah, they know what they're doing out there. It's good stuff. Yes. Woo, Crimbus. We have some bunnies and tigers and lions dropping into the chat, which is amazing. But on with the show, as they say.
Yes.
Today.
Everyone knows that I'm terrible with dates and time. So they convinced Leanne to make a stream all about dates and time.
He's saying this because a while ago, about a month ago,
yes,
we did this stream in our pajamas.
Oh, yes.
Michael was yawning throughout.
Oh, damn it.
And now he's yawning again. And we found the time and date element of it, which was most of it, quite difficult. So yes. Hopefully this will be better.
It won't.
Hello, Paul. Ooh, hello to you. I can't find the emojis. Oh no. I don't know what to suggest. Using punctuation like we used to in the 90s. I'm showing my age now. Ooh, from Austria. Lovely. Okay. Ooh, welcome back to Christine. The Unnamed. Good name. And Gina is a tiger. So. Stay positive. Good advice there from Alana. Here is what we have to get started with. I thought we'd keep it all on the JS side of things today.
Yay!
You should be happy about that.
I am.
Good.
But it's about time.
So we have pretty simple. Let's make some more space.
Yes.
Oh no. The spinning beach ball of death. Okay. Beach ball has gone. Yeah, what do we have? We have a rocket. It's a rocket countdown.
Okay.
Because why wouldn't it be?
Yeah.
And this div with the class of time screen is this, based on NASA. Oh look, countdown clock.
Yeah. So basically, it's a
This bad
launch countdown clock.
Yes.
Is the topic for today.
Yeah, pretty much. And then we just have P event time display, which is this currently empty. And then we have time words, days, hours, minutes, seconds. Wasn't sure if there was a better way of doing that. Initially, I put it in with they were each word was wrapped in a span, and then I was going to add padding. But then I thought, I bet there's CSS for this, and indeed there is.
Really?
There is word spacing, 0.5 m. I don't think I've ever used it before, but there we are.
So it's basically to create the space in
like between days and hours and minutes.
Gotcha.
Just to demonstrate.
There
we go. So that's that. And then the only JS we have is grabbing event time display, which is again this, and the rocket. Rocket, we don't need to do the actual countdown, but I thought it would be nice to launch it.
Yeah. How are we going to do that?
Well, we're going to get some Mentos and some Coca-Cola and...
You do know that NASA got so annoyed by people posting new ideas. Like, everyone thinks that they're funny and they post Mentos and Coke letters to NASA. They have actually issued a statement saying that this is a dumb way of launching rockets. Seriously.
I won't ask how you know that.
Well, I didn't write that letter, but yes, I have. I've seen their press release.
They actually did a press release. Amazing. Ooh, hello from Syria. Hello to you. Feda.
Mm.
Hello, I'm from Nigeria. Hello to you. What's the topic? Did I join late? No, not really. We haven't got started. It's, well, ours is a rocket countdown. You could count down to any other event with it.
Yeah.
Well, we hope so by the end anyway.
Could be Halloween, Christmas, New Year's Eve, birthday.
I don't count down to my birthday, that's for sure.
Coronation.
Ooh, hello from Texas. Hello to you. It should be bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Really? I'll try that after the stream. That's hilarious. Hello from Kyrgyzstan. Yes, JavaScriptmas. We're already talking about it. That's all I'll say. Can we have the basic HTML and CSS for this project before we start? Yes. Very good point. One moment. If you wish to code along, you'll find the starter code, I suppose you could call it, in the chat. Any second now. There we go. Ooh. What's the file ending MD for? Well, this is our super unprofessional way of storing our to-dos. We wouldn't do this in production code, but it just makes it easier on the stream.
MD is Markdown.
Yes.
So it's basically like a text where it's kind of like a markup language, kind of like HTML, but much more simplified.
You would most often see it in GitHub comments, probably.
Yeah, GitHub. Yeah.
You also use it on dev too.
Yeah, quite often Markdown is actually even, like the full name is GitHub flavored Markdown.
Oh.
Yeah, the one in GitHub. But that's kind of the most popular version of it.
If you're interested in knowing more about Markdown, Scrimba Markdown, we have a nice little short course about it, which you can check out.
I would say that's definitely time well spent.
Yeah. Yes.
I always surprise everyone at work with some interesting tweaks and bits and bobs about Markdown.
Yeah, it's one of those things you don't really think about learning, but you do use it. Awesome.
Like some kind of drop down or syntax highlighting or some kind of interesting little bit of information. It all, like everything that makes the text arranged a bit nicer, you know, some kind of highlight.
I'm thinking, can you use it in Discord?
Yes. Yes, you can. Yes. Discord supports Markdown. So, for example, code blocks and stuff. So, yeah, if you learn Markdown, you will be able to write code blocks in Discord as well.
It's worth doing it just for that. So anyway, these are to-dos. Setting the event time.
Setting the event time.
Creating and displaying a countdown.
Okay.
So filling in this. Animating the countdown.
Okay.
Now, this I'm not too sure about because there's animating the rocket, which is easy enough. I also had in mind animating the time as it counts down. I have no idea what that would look like, but we'll come back to that. Indicating that the countdown has ended. Saying lift off.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Dave is documenting the journey of developing a website using Markdown. Nice. Yes. Great for readmes. Oh, that's the other one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So anyway, let's get the music going. Into space. Now this one, we haven't had this for a while. Touchdown! Yes. That's what we, although I hope not with a rocket launcher.
Yeah. I'm like,
So, setting the event time is fairly straightforward because you can just set it using the JavaScript date set time.
Okay.
Like this. Oh, I didn't actually know you could do it like that.
So
That might not be bad. But anyway, what I had in mind originally, so I'll stick with my idea because going off piste always goes wrong, is this.
Okay.
And that would be const lift off. Okay, see what that does. We have a time.
Yes. But then you probably want it in the future.
Well, yes.
Yeah. Like 2023, probably.
How far back do they start counting rocket launches? Like 5 minutes or 5 years?
I mean, you can, well, on the website, you can probably have it, for as many as you want.
I mean, NASA.
I think.
I'm not asking what you would do because then you'd be like,
No.
oh, I don't want to put a deadline on it.
No, but like they do show,
ready.
like whenever the stream, for example, turns on, they usually show a countdown to lift off. So from when the stream turns on. But usually the countdown has been running for a little while.
Interesting. Anyway, lift-off time is there. So now we need to put lift-off time.
I mean, someone had the job to actually count, to create an actual countdown for NASA. Like,
And this is how they did it, maybe. In Scrimba.
You know, it's like I remember in one of the jobs I had, everyone always laughs like how to-do app is a very like a very basic thing that everyone learns coding with. But in one of the jobs, we had to make to-dos, to-do lists as a feature for our application.
And did you know how to do it?
Yeah, surprisingly, everyone knew how to do it. So, you know, sometimes it pays off.
There you go.
Yeah, so maybe one day you will be contracted to write time, like, countdowns.
For NASA. Or maybe Scrimba will have its own space agency.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be awesome. So we also need to get the current time, don't we? Which is similar kind of thing.
Yeah.
Const current time equals. I'm just gonna this. I think.
Yeah. So whenever you create date, it gives you the current time.
That's us. Is that us? Yes, it is us.
It is.
That's UTC.
Yes. Well, that's what you want.
That's what I've got. So now we need to find a way to subtract the current time. No. Yeah. From the liftoff time.
Yes. So I think that's basically like last time we were doing this, I was trying to find the better way of trying to like extract times and stuff. And I think there is a method called get time. There you go. That gives milliseconds. Right. So
you want to turn liftoff time into milliseconds?
Yeah. So there's like the milliseconds. What are they called? The Unix time milliseconds. And then probably I should clarify what they are.
Are you sure we need that though?
No, but it's nice to have only one format where you have all the dates and then you convert from it. So it's like the most basic format that you have. And Unix, there we go. It's called Unix timestamp. So it's excluding leap seconds, units epoch. So basically, it's amount of milliseconds from midnight on the 1st of January 1970, and all computers count time from then.
Epoch time, says
Yes.
Michael Limber.
Yeah. Unix timestamp, Unix time, epoch time, yeah, all that. So,
What are we doing, Adam? We are making an event countdown. In this case, a rocket countdown.
so if I have lift
Yes, rockets.
off time minus current time, I should get
Some milliseconds.
amount of milliseconds.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. But for normal humans, that's not that useful.
No. So const difference.
Mhm.
So I'll get milliseconds. If I divide all of those milliseconds by 60, I get seconds.
No. You need to divide it by 1,000, don't you?
Oh yeah, sorry, of course.
Is it?
Yes.
Or is that in a minute?
Milli is
Yeah.
1,000.
Woo!
So,
I knew something.
milliseconds. That gives
Can't
us,
you just Google this calculation?
that gives us seconds, that gives us minutes.
No, I can't.
No, I can't. That gives us hours. And that gives us days. 100 days from now to January 31st.
Maybe we should do one that's easier to check
Yeah.
if we've actually done it
But
right.
yeah, I think it's like,
I think it should be the 1st of January, not the 31st. I think for now we
Right.
should do it tomorrow. I think they're thinking if it was on New Year's Eve. Or
no, 31st of January, why not?
I think we should do it for tomorrow, and then we can check that it's not completely off, and it'll be easier.
Okay.
And the time.
Is it October?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you should change the time. 365.
Yeah,
Oh,
but that's
okay.
that actually makes sense. Yeah, so less than a day.
All right. Lovely. Really interesting. So they're done.
Or was it 19 hours?
We'll just change the time so it's the same time. Hello.
Yeah.
Endless Effects TV.
Yeah, so I
Okay.
think we're on the right path.
Does Scrimba have plans to make courses for building rockets too? Not that I'm aware of. I'll put it in the backlog of potential future courses.
Yes.
Prepare to consider
How to build a rocket.
with a countdown timer. Yes.
Anyway, so I think that's the approach that we should probably take, where we convert it to milliseconds, and then we basically go from there.
People might ask, what's the point of converting it to milliseconds just to convert it out of milliseconds again?
Because I don't know of a better way.
A better way to do what?
A better way of like subtracting time from another time.
Oh, I see.
But can you?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. What actually happens when you?
I think you'll get just a string.
Oh, you actually get the milliseconds anyway. It looks like.
Is that the same number? 6 something. Yep.
Yeah. So it looks like actually when you subtract days, that happens in milliseconds anyway. In the Unix.
Wow.
Unix times milliseconds anyway.
That's amazing.
Okay. Well, fair enough.
So ignore the last 5 minutes of the stream. And let's go to the next to-do.
Yes. Is it computer science, rocket science career path?
Yeah.
Yes.
Scrimba rocket science.
Yes.
It's not rocket science. Yes.
Ugh. Yeah, see, like I went the other way around, and looking at me, you can tell that, if I can do it, it's not that hard. Okay, if people are as dumb as me can do it,
He's
it's
saying this
doable.
because he started rocket science at uni.
Yes.
Mika suggests half an hour from now, which would probably be easier to understand. I think we should do it. Oh yeah, but then it would constantly change, I guess.
Yes. Anyway,
I mean, time
it's
constantly
fine.
changes anyway.
It's fine.
But yes.
So.
Okay. When are you guys going to release the new module 6? This is about the front-end developer career path. Here it is. And Gil is currently working on, it's our teacher, one of them, this section, responsive design, revamping that, nearly ready. I'm not totally sure, but I think in the next couple of weeks. So keep an eye out.
Mm-hmm.
Astronomical, yes, that calls for.
Okay, so if we want to display seconds, right? So let me just go console.log. If I'm just gonna diff show the diff. So if I divide that by milliseconds,
Yep.
that's gonna give me how many milliseconds it is. But like I want to know the leftover.
This is the number of seconds, I think.
Yeah, so but I want to know the leftover to then display it here.
Right, I think then
So
you need to do.
how do I do that? Like
I think you need to work out the days first, don't you? Yeah, and then you'll get like point.
Oh, and then you subtract and stuff or something.
Yeah.
No, I don't think you do. I don't think you subtract it. Anyway, but
I think you do. You would do the days first.
see, that's where I was last time, and I don't remember what I decided. So, there we go. So, Michael Limber, what do you say? Normally, you want to handle timestamps as a number.
No.
Because you can do math with numbers to find deltas. Yes, you can easily do math with string.
You can't easily do that.
Yeah, you can't easily. Yes, so, well, that was the point why I wanted to go to milliseconds, but it looks like you actually don't need to call get time on it.
We end up with milliseconds now.
Yeah, and
which is good. But
yeah,
then
you get the milliseconds.
Prince says the modular operator.
Yes, okay, but I don't remember which way it goes, so.
Got to Google it then. Should I skip module 6 in the front end for now? What is in there currently? I mean, these are good lessons. These are with Kevin Powell. So if you do them, you are going to benefit from them. We're just revamping them to make them more in line with our current style of teaching. So
Yes.
It wouldn't be a waste if you do them. But equally, if you want to wait for the new one and just go on to the next section, that wouldn't hurt either. So basically, it's up to you.
Yes. Okay.
Please reply to what? Oh, do we have any courses about designing? Not per se. The closest one is Figma to Code. Scrimba. This doesn't teach you how to design, but it teaches you how to turn designs into code.
Yes.
So that's the closest thing we currently have. Yes, back to you. Back to the studio.
Yes. Okay.
So we decided we're going to use the modular thingy to work.
Yes, but I don't remember or can't think of the way to do it. But anyway,
You work out the days. Well, what is the modular? Just Google it.
So if I just go, where is it? Well, modular is like a leftover.
So what's the problem?
Yes, but I don't remember how to where to modulo to get the tail.
Well,
To then
look
get the
it
thing.
up then, man.
Anyway, divided by 1,000, divided by 60, divided by 60, divided by 24, I think. So that should days.
0.793, which is about
So-
right.
Do I modulo by 24 here?
Actually, I'm not sure that
No.
is right. I don't know. Well, Michael, I'm not sure it's right. Look.
What do you mean? What do you mean? It is less than 1 day.
Yeah, but it sounds a bit too little, doesn't it?
Well, no, it's fine.
Okay, maybe it is right.
Presumably, actually, 16, 30, what? That should be the whole day, no? Because it adjusts to the time zone. Okay, there you go. So, current time. Yeah, so it's just over the day right now. Good, because that is, you can't see on Leanne's time, but
It's 17:28. Local time.
there you go. It's 17:28.
Some help on the modulo thingy.
So I get the diff.
You want to get the leftover of the division per 1,000. Do we?
To get the day.
This is mind-boggling.
No, I don't think you do to get the day.
Michael's refusing to Google it. Java, script, modulo.
Well, I remember what modulo does. It's just that I can't think of what day actually. Like, what's the maths to actually get it? But maybe it is by modulo 20. No, it's not by modulo 24. That makes no sense. Anyway, yes. How to get full days. There is some kind of rounded thing? So time in milliseconds. Okay. So they seal. What, math sealing?
Oh, that's like what Sandra's saying. I'd
Or
use
math.floor.
math.floor.
Yeah, well, it doesn't on. Let's see. So you get 50 minutes. Oh, I see. Right. So you get. For some reason, the mouse doesn't move that well. Oh, okay. Math floor. So you're basically just rounding it out like that. Okay. But then So that's getting full days. And if I, for example, want to get the years, 365, that gives 0.
Happy coding. And to you.
So if I want to get how many full hours are left, that'd be 24. So it says, well, yeah, okay, so maybe that won't quite work. Actually, no, hang on. So in that case, I probably want modulo. No, that says 17. So this says so if I want to get the full hours left, you see, that's where I'm getting a little bit confused, because it works for days.
Oh no, I reckon you calculate the number of days and then you subtract that. According to Stack Overflow, this was not my idea. And then you calculate and subtract the whole hours. Then you calculate and subtract the whole minutes.
For some reason the mouse doesn't. Yeah.
Technology. This is too much for my brain today. Times, man. Hello, cloud system. Once you have the days, you should modify diff to remove the num of days. Yeah.
What? Once I have the days.
Calculate the number of days and then subtract that from diff. And that will give you the leftover hours, I think. You can then repeat the process for hours.
So number of days is going to give me 1. So from tomorrow. That's 1. And how do I subtract that from? Oh, hang on. No, I don't get it. No,
so you've got 1, and then
right.
You need to subtract that number of milliseconds from the diff, I think.
But then...
Ooh. Date to locale string.
So do I need to multiply it back and then subtract it from the diff?
That's what Leanne is saying.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to understand what you're saying.
I would do that. Look. Stack Overflow. Try this.
Ah, 2 screens. Okay. Okay.
This part. 227 upvotes. I'm going to screenshot.
Ah, you divide.
Michael Ember saying that's what Leanne is saying. I would do that. This is a moment of pride for me.
Yeah, so it does. So you do multiply it back by that. What? But why? I mean,
I'm not sure it matters why. This is JavaScript.
That's what I mean. Like you have. So then you basically.
Divide the diff by the number of milliseconds in a day, get the leftover milliseconds. From there, you can mod each second, minute, day. Yeah.
I see. So basically you go. Okay, so.
Hi, Leanne and Michael, remember me? It says future nuclear. I do.
So if you get the seconds.
Diff is a const. I don't think it should be. Go change it to a let.
Why?
Because we're going to be doing stuff to it, aren't we?
No, I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm just going to...
Come chance here. I made a countdown timer for a weekly web dev challenge back in the day. Took me hours and hours to get it working. I was hoping you were going to say, I'll drop it in Slack now and Leanne can look at it. I'm not sure it matters. Why? It's JavaScript. Yes. Work.
0. It says 0 full seconds and 0 again. I don't think I follow that correctly.
Oh yeah.
Seconds. What? So theory, the modulus delta divided by a whole 60. Oh, hang on, but what is delta here? Oh, delta is already divided by 1,000. Ah.
If you want to modify diff, you have to change it to a const.
So delta is, so they're basically taking future and now, divide that by 1,000 and floor it. So I think we already have a div, and they say that you should, what, to get the seconds.
Michael, look.
Hang on, can you take the can I just try to get this?
I think this will help. Look, this is one.
No, it's okay. I'll try to get it. Give me, let me think. So if
Math.floor, remaining time, and divide it by.
So if I want to, yeah, so I have to floor literally everything. Yeah, so just like I got that with dates, I need to floor that too.
Yeah, like what cloud system is saying on the screen.
I don't see what cloud system says. So like, is it total milliseconds, number of milliseconds per day? Yeah, but that's to get the days. I just want to work out how many whole milliseconds are left. Right? So I would need to, no, here.
Michael, it's this.
So, no, it's fine. So,
what are we doing? Why are we doing this?
So the whole difference between the two dates is that much in seconds. So if I want to know how many whole seconds left, I basically need to
take whole seconds away from diff.
No, the other way. I need to do, no, I don't need to do that. Is it like that modular? Seconds. No. Damn it. Future date now, and then delta modulo 60. So I probably want to do, yeah, math floor, just like I did there with days, right? Modulo, 58, 56, 55. Okay. So now minutes, I can do.
I think that's what Michael is saying.
Yeah, but I don't know why. I'm too daft. I don't get it. I don't get what Michael is saying.
If you want the number of milliseconds after days are calculated, you can use the mod there. But carry on as you were. Just, as they say on MasterChef, get something on the plate. Gotta ship it.
So if I actually just wrap right here, 15, 14, 13. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm still getting the correct value. Okay, cool.
Stress of this.
Cool. No, that's alright.
Hang on a minute. Michael.
What? What's up?
Aha. Here is Tom's timer.
No, don't show me that. Don't
Which
show me that.
He very much doubts will help. But we've got it just in case. Ooh, something fell down. Anyway.
Okay, don't show me the code, but let's show how it works. Okay, so.
Nice rocket launch.
I'm just gonna cover that. Oh, that just handles the change. That's all right. That's the UI. It doesn't do the maths. That's good. Crikey, that's a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's a lot of different files. Oh, there we go. So. Ah, nice. Look at that.
Cute.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna take 5 hours for it to fill up. Yeah, I'm just gonna reset it too. Nice animation. No wonder it took ages. Okay, 5 seconds. Way! Whoa, that was cool. That was cool.
Extremely.
Yeah, that was cool. There you go. And if you want to learn how to build it,
Dope. I like that.
yeah,
That's so cool.
you should go and check it out. But we're definitely not gonna get anywhere near that. In if I manage to crack this in an hour, this is going to be an achievement.
It's there.
Anyway, Leanne is trying to show me the answer, but no, I'm not taking the easy way. You are all here to watch me suffer. Let's be honest. So I have to deliver on that.
I think you've delivered already on that.
So now I can actually, if I diff on the seconds, like, will I get the minutes? Right. So presumably
You
I
don't
should
want to
get-
divide it by 1,000, do you? No. I don't know. Ignore me. Actually, it's not dividing it by 1,000. Giving you 1,000.
It is giving me 1,000, doesn't it? So seconds, but then I also need to divide it by a further 60. Right. Get the minutes. If I have the seconds, then I divide it 16.
I don't think that's right.
16? No, that is not right.
Why not test the countdown date for like tomorrow? I thought we were doing that.
Yeah, it is tomorrow. It's tomorrow for 17:50. So
I
that
got
should,
the wrong date.
yeah, that should actually. Yeah, why am I multi-flooring this?
Oh.
That gave me 16. Actually, if I just model it 40. I don't understand what I'm doing. Oh no, of course not, because look, because if I'm doing div, no, I need to do this, because what I was doing is diff divided by seconds, but that effectively means I take diff divided by difference again and divided it by 1,000. That's not what I want to do. So to get the minutes from Unix timestamp, I need to take the seconds and divide that by 60. Okay, so now I get whatever that number was, right? And now to get const whole minutes left equals
Probably.
math.floor minutes.
Alana needs a coffee ASAP. I feel that. Yeah, that is about, because there's 1,000 and
Whole minutes, 4. Bang in. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now in that case, const hours equals, I take,
Why am I doing this? Reverses the code. Oh, that's why. We have all been there.
yeah, 60.
Barra
Okay.
said's right. I take to be a good sign.
Const whole
We are cooking on gas now.
hours equals.
What do I use for my soundboard? This retro iPad, because I haven't found anything better yet.
Hours modulo 60. Whole hours. Okay, so how many whole hours left?
Yeah.
24.
That's right. Thankfully.
Oh, 24? Yes.
Yeah.
Probably wanted to. Yeah, but here's the thing that if it's probably. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, no, hang on. That's correct. 20.
Yeah, because it's 24 hours and 3 minutes. Or less than 3 minutes, I guess. But yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then.
Love to see this process in real time.
And then days, it effectively means
That's
that I
good,
take
that's
hours, divide that by 24.
Woo. Hello from Chile. Hello to you.
A little floor. Days. Modulo 24. Whole day is 1. Okay? And if I make that 40, so it's now 47.
Mm-hmm.
Whole day is 0.
0.
Okay, so now I can just go and I think it took me a while to get there, but I think I got there.
You think we're there, do you?
Yeah, I think we're there. 4 hours, whole days. What does the console? Whoops. What does the console say? So for
Okay, 0 days, 23 hours, 51 minutes.
34 seconds.
Sounds good.
Yes.
So
Okay.
now
Nice.
we want to put that into our display
Yes.
with a little string interpolation, I reckon.
So hang on a sec. So if I make that like 55, let's say, it then gives me 24 hours. So is that why?
24 hours, 5 minutes. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, but it's not really because it should be 0, right? So when you get whole hours, is that why people were usually like I saw them like
Oh,
minus 24, and then they do that like absolute?
why is it giving you 24 and not putting that into the days then?
Yeah, so I think if you absolute that and then floor it.
What is absolute?
Absolute is like basically you remove the minus sign.
So why was it doing that in the first place?
Because without absolute, it basically, if I minus 24, what? Actually, yeah, I can probably. Basically goes into minus. Because if I have like 45 minutes here, yeah, it goes into -1. So if I go math.apps.
Hello from Gabon. Wow, hello to you. Is the
There
plan
you go.
to concatenate all these different const elements? That is the plan.
Yes.
Unless there's a better plan.
Yes.
I think so. Write it up. Or wire it up. Yes, we should do that.
Yes.
Very well done. Good job.
Well, no, it's not there yet, right? Because then you have to.
Well, it's not on the screen, yeah.
Yeah, because then you have to go to
Oh.
months.
Months? We're not going to months. No. Look, on the screen it only has days. I don't think they plan these things that far in advance.
Well, it's nice to have flexibility.
Oh, why?
Anyway, and then you have to account for leap years as well. Days.
I mean, really, would you just use some kind of dependency for this?
Yes.
Mike
years,
wants a
0.
10x headache. Yeah.
Yes.
Now can we show the time and show the craft in space? Yeah.
No. that is not the point. Okay, event time display. Fine. So event time display dot
Hallelujah. Okay.
inner text equals.
Oh. Hello, Goozle.
Whole years. Okay, it should be a dollar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whole years, whole days.
Yeah. I've got to run. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Hey.
Woo, nice hats.
Whole hours.
We don't need years.
We do.
Well, then we'll have to
Do.
update the days, hours, minutes business underneath it.
Yes. Ooh. Oh, that's why I had it, because it's going to be fun. Well, I say.
And
fun.
what about
It's not-
months? We don't have months.
Screw months. I don't want to get involved.
Yeah, they're all different lengths and stuff.
Well, so are years, but
Are they? Well, yeah, sometimes. But then what about if you're on another planet, Michael? Won't need to redo all the calculations.
actually, yeah, you'll have to account for what planet you're on. Yeah, whole year, day, hour, minute, second, right? So there we go.
Cloud system says we need to do the whole years, every 4 years. It needs to be an extra one.
Yeah, but you can just write a quick function for is it a leap year?
Add centuries. No
Yeah.
months, but does years. Yep, that's how we're going to roll, apparently. Now we've got the business of
The business of
the
This.
business of well, yeah.
time words.
Oh man, what's he doing?
I'm grabbing this time words paragraph
Why?
because we don't want to display stuff that is not really there, right?
Like what? Oh right, days. No.
Yeah.
I'm tuning in from Mars. How do I know this is accurate for me? Well, exactly.
It's not.
See, Michael, sometimes you overcomplicate things.
It's okay. Get element by B. Time words. Time words dot inner text equals. So this is going to be awkward, but let's
You're
just-
going to need a conditional there.
yeah. So you basically say you got whole years. You say years.
But you would always have whole years.
I know him.
It's just if whole years is one or more.
Or an empty string.
Yeah.
Is that gonna work? Okay, so it's not gonna show anything because okay, good.
But whole years is not null, is it? So why is that working?
It's faulty because 0.
Oh, right.
So 0. So because this is 0, it evaluates to false. So if it's anything but 0, it will evaluate to years. Otherwise, it's an empty string.
Good. That's nice.
If I saw that in the PR, I would probably ask people to. Okay, days. There is nothing there. I would probably ask people to write it a little bit cleaner because it's not great.
It's not the most readable code ever.
No, it's quite the opposite of it. But
Let us know in the chat, do you like ternaries or if statements?
well, actually, yeah, whole hours. It definitely has hours, but it shows nothing.
It doesn't have hours.
Oh no, you're right. It doesn't have hours. Oh my word. Okay, fair enough. It has minutes though.
Yes, 48. I hope.
Whole minutes and whole seconds.
Ternaries for the win! We need a set interval. Yeah, we do. So it's updated.
Yes.
You have just 50 minutes left. That's right, then, isn't it? Think so?
Yeah.
People are saying ternaries for the win.
47 minutes.
I'm lost.
28
I feel you.
seconds.
We will do a quick run through at the end.
Is that correct? 47 minutes? No, that should be tomorrow. That should show me
Oh,
whole day, whole minute.
that's what Prime was saying now.
Yeah, I think I've bucketed this up with the hours. Anyway, there is a bug with the hours.
It's a no fix.
Yeah, but anyway, it does show minutes and seconds. And to be fair, I can probably do the same thing. Like here, right?
Hmm. Why do you still have that 0 though? It's tomorrow now. Yeah, indeed. Absolutely.
Yeah, so there is trickery to be done with hours, minutes.
Okay, well, we got 1 minute, Michael, so we got to ship it. So can you put a set interval in? Or gotta launch it, I guess.
Yeah, but I want to get rid of this. Can I do a string interpolation instead of a string interpolation?
I don't think so.
It feels awkward.
I think it's gonna break the first one.
Maybe I can.
People are saying with escape. Hmm.
Anyway, so you basically see where I'm going with this.
We need more complicated logic, says Michael Limber.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know, man.
But definitely not with ternaries. Ternaries is the wrong way. It is the wrong way forward. Like, if I saw this in ternaries, I would probably ask people to try to refactor this into something else, like a neater function. And it's the same with whole years. It's like, is it 0 with a column, or like, skip the rest of it so only this part is shown. But yeah, as you said, we need to.
Well, on the NASA one, it would show the 0, wouldn't it?
Yes, but you probably want to show zeros only for hours. Sorry, yeah, hours, minutes, and seconds. So you do want these 3 zeros, but you definitely don't want a 0 for days and years. You want it to be some logic here, some logic there, that kind of stuff.
Okay, set interval.
Yes, set interval. So how do I set interval? Well, do I just round the whole thing in the set interval?
Mm-hmm.
Apart from lift off time, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, so was it
Const launch countdown. Or timer. Yeah. Set interval. Open function.
So I just run right.
And then everything goes in that. And then comma between the on line 30. Yeah.
And then I need to make that into, what's it?
One.
Oh, every second. Okay.
Yay!
Yes. There we are. Oh, my neck.
Yes, we have given it our all, I think it's fair to say.
Yes.
Wait! Totally. Now, thank you all for coming.
Second time around, I have actually managed to understand how to do it. And also understand in the way that I, well, about days and stuff.
Let's have a look at what's happening next week. We have... Ooh. Oh, look.
What are we doing?
Something very exciting. Discovering Alpine JS.
These thumbnails that you're making, absolutely amazing.
I don't actually make them. Rocky makes them.
Really?
I just suggest things.
That's great.
Yes, Alpine JS.
Oh, that's amazing.
Because we're dreaming of the snow.
Where is that? Where is that picture?
I think it's...
I do think that my thumbnail is taken from a different picture to your thumbnail.
Yeah, because we're wearing the different weather glasses. So
Yeah.
I guess it must be.
Yeah, they must have been different.
Yes. Time to get ready for work. Michael and Bert, have a great day.
Oh, really? Well, hope you enjoyed. Go for it.
Cool, considering that's an improvisation. That's very interesting. Yes. Alana loves this. Yes, so if you want to check this out, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button so you get notified about streams.
Yes.
Well, hit the bell as well.
Yes.
And next, on Wednesday, we are joined by 3 more successful Scrimba students, including teacher at Scrimba, Tom. Looking forward to hearing from them. We have Jefferson, used to be a doctor, now a developer. We have Kaidam, who solved 1,000 leak code challenges.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
Wow, that's amazing.
Now
I reckon he doesn't struggle with time and timestamps.
Probably not. Yeah.
After
We
1,000
should
leak
invite
codes.
him. Now works for Amazon and Tom. So looking forward to that. Yes, and if you like this stream, please let us know by hitting the like button and or subscribe. It does us a big favour. Woo! Scrimba is really joyful learning. Computer science, woo! I will remake it for sure.
Oh yeah, please do.
We will put the link to our solution into the chat and pin that comment. Woo! We just see hours and minutes and seconds, not years. Which is what I wanted to do in the first place, so that's good.
Yeah, but that's because... oh yeah, but hang on. That's because... But you
I
can.
think they mean the text, which is, yeah.
Yeah, but it's like if you
we're
go
not sharing. We're not sharing. We're not sharing.
Alright.
Okay.
If you go to October 24th, please work. Whoa, look at that!
Nice.
See? Years, days, and now it works. Now you know that it's a year away.
Brilliant. Woo! Okay, Michael, that's enough of that.
2042. 2042.
Yeah, don't want to think about how old I'll be by then. So, any closing thoughts, Michael?
Enjoy Friday.
Yes, I can get behind that. And don't forget to come back next week for some more live coding fun. Looking for the jingle. Found the jingle.